Join me as I dive into the world of personal finance and take on the challenge of explaining why I prefer a line of credit over credit cards in 2024. When it comes to managing our finances, it's essential to understand the tools at our disposal. In 2024, the importance of making informed financial decisions cannot be overstated. One such decision is choosing between a line of credit and a credit card. While both options provide access to funds, they operate in fundamentally different ways. Many of us have been there, stuck in a cycle of high interest rates and fees, feeling like we're drowning in debt. Credit cards can be a significant source of financial stress, especially when we're not careful. The allure of rewards, points, and cashback can blind us to the harsh reality of compounding interest. Before we know it, our credit card balances start to spiral out of control, and we're left wondering how we ended up in this predicament. The truth is, credit cards are designed to make money for the issuer, not for the user. The fine print is often filled with hidden fees and charges, making it difficult to get ahead. And let's not forget the temptation to overspend, which can lead to a vicious cycle of debt. It's no wonder that so many people struggle with credit card debt, feeling trapped and unsure of how to escape. Furthermore, credit card companies often use tactics to keep us in debt, such as offering teaser rates that expire or charging exorbitant fees for late payments. It's a system that seems stacked against us, and it's no wonder that many people are looking for alternatives. On the other hand, lines of credit offer a more flexible and sustainable approach to borrowing. With a line of credit, I have access to a pool of funds that I can draw upon as needed. The interest rates are typically lower, and I'm only charged interest on the amount I've borrowed, not the entire credit limit. This means I have more control over my spending and can avoid the trap of overspending. One of the significant advantages of a line of credit is its flexibility. I can use the funds for anything from consolidating debt to making a large purchase. I can also choose to repay the amount borrowed at my own pace without being locked into a fixed repayment schedule. This level of control is invaluable when it comes to managing my finances effectively. I can personally attest to the benefits of using a line of credit. A few years ago, I found myself in a tough financial spot, struggling to pay off high-interest debt. I decided to take out a line of credit and use it to consolidate my debt. It was a game changer. The lower interest rate and flexibility of repayment terms allowed me to get back on track and start rebuilding my credit. Looking back, I wish I had known about the benefits of lines of credit sooner. If I had, I might have avoided a lot of financial stress and anxiety. But I'm grateful for the experience, as it's taught me the importance of being proactive when it comes to managing my finances. In conclusion, the advantages of lines of credit over credit cards are clear. With lower interest rates, greater flexibility, and better financial management, lines of credit offer a more sustainable approach to borrowing. So, if you're tired of the cycle of debt and overspending, I encourage you to consider a line of credit as a viable alternative. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences with lines of credit or credit cards, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on managing your finances, be sure to check out my video on budgeting tips next.